obviously, Saddleback, we specialize in bags, but what about shoes? What do you do to care for your shoes, your good leather shoes, or maybe your not so expensive leather shoes?
Sure. Well, this goes back to the type of leather that you're working with. This is a little bit more of a processed leather. Companies do that to hide natural marks. It makes it more slick and sleek. More rustic boots, a little more similar to Saddleback leather. It's going to be more rustic. It's going to absorb differently. So again, you'd want to clean it with water, perhaps baby shampoo, something to that effect. And then get all that dirt off of it, let it dry, and then I would use the Chamberlain's #1, just as your basic leather conditioner. And then a lot of times with leather and shoes, you perhaps want to use some type of a color, shoe polish, and that's going to actually sometimes bring that actual color back in. And then lastly, I mean, on my boots, I'd probably want to do maybe a third step and use a waterproofer. And I'm not so concerned about my boots getting a little bit darker, because you want them to patina anyway. It actually helps patina when you add the heavier wax. And so that's what I would do on a boot or a shoe.